If you want to get iPhone ringtone on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then in that case we need to download an app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. So if you open the Play Store, then over here we should be able to go to search, then tap on the search option at the top, and then we should be able to search for iPhone ringtone. There we go. And you should be able to find many example apps that, at least in theory, should allow you to get an iPhone ringtone. Now, in my case, I'm going to use this app over here. I'm going to install this one. I'm going to show you how to use it in order to get the ringtone. But of course, feel free to try any other app that you can find in the Play Store and use them instead. So I'm going to open it. Of course, you might see some ads in the meantime, but that's okay. We can just wait for them to end. There we go. Now we need to allow the app to access music and audio on this device. We need to allow the access to systems so that it can change the ringtone for us. And here we have the list of ringtones. So you should be able to, for example, tap on the play button next to any of these ringtones in order to have a little listen. And once you find the ringtone that you wish to set up, then you can tap on these three dots on the right side, then tap on the ringtone over here. Of course, we have an ad again, so let's wait. And there we go. Now we have set the ringtone successfully, so we're going to tap on OK. And let's just check that. Let's verify if that's truly the case. We're going to just open settings, go to sound and vibration, and we can slightly change the ringtone volume to have a little listen. And yes, the ringtone is indeed changed. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.